Krishna is the greatest blessing, gift we can receive from Krishna. Understand the kind of a charismatic personality he is. The kind of the extraordinary charisma he manifested. Knowing Krishna, loving Krishna, being Krishna, celebrating Krishna is the greatest gift we can receive from Krishna. In one line, if I have to say, Krishna Bhakti. Actually, when you are in romance with Krishna, everyone around you feels you are Krishna. Krishna Bhakti internally keeps you in Dvaita, but externally everyone feels you are in Advaita with Krishna. Shiva Bhakti internally keeps you in oneness with Shiva. Everyone outside feels you are a great Shiva Bhakta. That is the beauty. Listen. Shiva Bhakti internally keeps you in oneness with Shiva. All others around you perceive you are a great Shiva Bhakta. Krishna Bhakti internally keeps you in romance with Krishna. Everyone around you feels you are Krishna. Listen. If you want to read this universe, life, Gita is the dictionary. If you want to read Gita, Krishna is the dictionary. If you want to know the meaning of what is life, what is goal, what is good, what is bad, if you want to know the meaning of all these words, life, read Bhagavad Gita. The meaning given in Gita is the real meaning of life. Vairagya. You want to know what is Vairagya? Read Bhagavad Gita. The meaning given in Bhagavad Gita for Vairagya is the meaning of the Vairagya. Cosmos. If you want to know what is cosmos, read Bhagavad Gita. The meaning given in Gita for the cosmos is the meaning of the cosmos. Love, devotion, everything you want to know about life. Read Gita. That's the meaning of life. Everything you want to know about Gita, read Krishna. That's the meaning. Only when you understand the absolutely charismatic, excellent personality called Krishna, only when you are in love with Him, only when you are in absolutely awed by Krishna, you will understand what he means by karmanye vadigaraste mabaleshu gadachanaha uttared atmanatmanam atmanam avasadayet aham vaishwanaro bhutva praninam dehamashrita. When he declares all these grand statements, I taught this knowledge to Surya. From Surya it came to Manu. Hey, come on. Millions of years before Krishna, Surya existed. But so beautifully, so boldly, he declares and shows is Vishwarupa to Arjuna. Understand? Making your close friend, not just glassmate, partners in crime. There are multiple things, secret things both of them have done together, which nobody else knows. Making your partner in the crime believe you are Parandama is not a joke. Of course, he is really Parandama. That is why he was able to make the partner in the crime realize he is Parandama. Love, sacrifice, ferociousness, knowledge, power, all these are separate words in lower middle class level. In the peak of pure consciousness, all these are Ananta Kalyana Gunas of one being. That is why I insist. Understand about that being. Understand why Krishna is celibate, pure brahmachari. When he started his Rasa Leela, before the age of 10, why is extreme, pure, absolute embodiment of compassion when he is the mastermind of the world's largest war ever happened. Understand? Mahabharata war, the number of people died is much more than World War I, World War II put together. Go and do your homework, you will understand. Not only the quantity of people, even the quality of people. No. World War I, World War II killed so many statesmen. Mahabharata war, not only the soldiers, so many statesmen were killed. Giants like Bhishma, who can never be reproduced again, are eliminated. The person who has masterminded this great destruction is still considered and worshipped, revered. Actually, in reality itself, is an extreme compassion. Meditate on all this. Try to understand all this. Understanding the personality of Krishna gives you absolute understanding about Gita. Understanding Gita gives you absolute understanding about everything. Enlightenment, universe, right, wrong, good, bad, sex, birth, death, pain, bliss, love, hatred, everything. Binary logic, infinite logic. Absolutely mind-boggling revelations. Urdhvamoola mataschagam asvattam brahuravyayam. How can there be? The banyan tree whose roots are up. Understand? Internalize the deeper revelations, secrets shared by the great devotees who lived around Krishna. Vyasa is the most authentic biographer of Krishna. Some of the people who lived around Krishna, how they held him. Read all of that. Internalize all of that. I tell you, reading the reminiscences of the intimate disciples is the way to know the being of the master. Uddhava, Arjuna, Draupadi. Some of these people are the most intimate disciples. Vidura of Krishna. Read, study how they all held Krishna. How they all perceived Krishna. How they all experienced Krishna. The most authentic presentation is Vyasa's presentation. That is the real message from Krishna on Krishna Janmashtami. Krishna, understand his being in every level. You will understand his teachings. When you understand his teachings, you will understand the universe, life itself. Krishna is the greatest gift we can receive from Krishna.